Expedition successfully places weather station on top of 19,000-foot volcano. National Geographic explorer Dr. Baker Perry, who has also installed a network of weather stations including the 2 highest in the world on Mount Everest. These observations are critically important not only in Chile but also across the Himalayas and other portions of many Indies. And lastly, how long it will take to make projections of future climate change, and especially water resource availability. To know more, download news and bullets now.